Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Make.com for advanced workflow automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Make.com homepage in your web browser. Once you're on the website, locate the Sign Up button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Sign Up button to start creating your account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and create a strong password for your account. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Check your email and look for a message from Make.com. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Make.com homepage. Log in with your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard. In the dashboard, explore the various templates and automations available. To start creating a workflow, click on the Create New Scenario button. You will now see a blank canvas where you can build your automation. Begin by selecting a trigger app that will initiate your workflow. Once you've chosen your trigger app, configure its settings according to your needs. After setting up the trigger, move on to add the actions that will follow. Select the action apps that will perform tasks based on the trigger. Configure the settings for each action app as per your requirements. Feel free to add more actions or filters to refine your workflow. Once you have your workflow set up, it's time to test it. Click on the Run Once button to execute your scenario and check for any issues. Review the output and make adjustments if necessary. When you are satisfied with the workflow, click on the Save button. Finally, schedule your workflow to run automatically by setting the desired time interval. Your advanced automation workflow is now ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.